Let's start with the eggplants. Remove the stem part. Then cut this part here so the eggplant will lie nice and straight while we're cutting. What we want is slices of about half a centimeter thickness. Now that the oil is hot, we can fry the eggplants. Once they're golden, drain them alongside one another and prepare the sauce. Chop the onion. And then the mozzarella. We're going to cut one part into cubes. Put the other piece to one side because we'll crumble it on at the end before we bake our Parmigiana. So let's leave it to drain. Put the onions in a frying pan with some oil. And then add the tomato puree. Rinse the bowl with a little water and add it to the pan. Season with salt and add some basil. Stir it all together, then lower the temperature and cook for about 50 minutes. Our eggplant is fried, our sauce is ready, so let's assemble our Parmigiana. A generous spoonful of sauce into my dish, and then the first layer of eggplant. Some more sauce on top. Then the mozzarella cubes. And a nice sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. Then the basil that I've torn up by hand, and continue making more layers, alternating the direction of the eggplants. Final layer. Now crumble the mozzarella on top for a more even spread. And finally, more Parmesan. Now we can bake our Parmigiana in a static oven at a temperature of 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. Here's my Parmigiana di melanzane, all ready to serve, so let's try it. That's so good!